Hey guys, we're going to go for a ride just around in the neighborhood. I'm not shutting anything up here at the house. I've got to do some yard work, so I thought before I got really sweaty and thought we'd go for a ride around the block in this 1984 Chevy C10 truck that goes by the name of Left Turn Bill. I'm going to be letting my wife, Mrs. PIB, film for me because this truck is a 354 speed now instead of a 6-cylinder 3-speed. I kind of cleaned up the motor a little bit. You probably can't tell much difference, but I did, just a little. I don't know if I've mentioned this or not, but the 350's been freshened up. It's got a new cam and lifters and gaskets, everything. GM 1038 on YouTube done that for me. He is a mechanic. Things just fall into place for him. That's all I'm going to say. Anyway, as soon as my wife gets this folded up, and we'll be on our way. This truck is cold. I haven't, but it's hot outside. Ready? Would you quit? Oh my goodness. Might want to put your, when I get my seatbelt on, you put yours on.
I can do it.
No, you can't.
Don't film me.
Let's start this thing. It goes into, let's stick it right there. Let's go around the block a time or two and then see right back. I gotta get busy. It's getting late in the day.
Hit it. See if it'll peel out. Come on.
You're fixing to get out.
Let me drive.
No. Scared you, didn't it?
No, not hardly.
This thing doesn't have power steering or brakes, and I'm still trying to get used to this truck. And that's why you don't see all these children's.
I did not video the children.
Well, there's a bunch of them. It takes a while after you've drove one with power steering and power brakes, and then you come around to one that doesn't have any of that. About stuff that's going on. You're from California, right?
Yes.
How you like it here in Tennessee?
Well, I do not like humidity.
Oh no, I don't either.
Other than that, that's my only complaint.
I sure do like this 350. I just need to get used to driving it. I've had a bunch of trucks without power steering and power brakes, like my 57 GMC truck and stuff. Gotta go slow around here, these children.
But they wish we'd quit going up the hill.
I bet they wished. Yeah, I bet they wish we would too. I probably should have went the other way since everybody says I go the same direction, but get you to drive. I know what's gonna happen.
You just need to know some things.
I've seen your driving.
Are you not curious?
Nope. No, I'm not. Let's see if
I
this
am
thing is
very.
set.
No.
More mouse.
Looks like a shopping bag.
What all did this mouse bring in there? Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Thanks for riding with us, guys. Wasn't much of a ride, but I've got to get busy in this yard. Sounds pretty good, I think. Let me know what you think about old left turn Bill. It's come a long way since we've got it, believe it or not. Okay, quality check. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. You're watching Primer is Best. If you'd like to subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Thank you for riding with us. And I'm on Instagram, Primer is Best, Facebook, Primer is Best. Got a second YouTube channel called Man on a Budget. And I've got Man on a Budget on Instagram, Man on a Budget 1. Yeah, Man on a Budget 1. It's been a long day, guys. And I'm fixing to get out on the yard. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See you later.